Thank you so much, Randy.
Oh, no problem.
Now my birthday gift is gonna seem lame this year. Whatever it ends up to be, it
That,
won't be that
that little
cool.
Kubota we had here last time, my one kid, I put it at an idle, and I call it the big orange babysitter. He'd sit out there for hours, digging, filling holes.
Yeah,
Stuff. Didn't even think about
that's awesome. Look at you, Blakey. You're in it. Cool. How do you drive it? Did Randy show you how to drive it?
That is like this.
You drew those joysticks?
That is like that.
Oh, what's that? A lever to push? Two. My goodness. That's awesome.
But I can explain about this one.
I don't know, maybe not right now, but maybe later. I think, what are they going to do? Are they moving the dump truck? Blake, you're in the track hoe. It's so big and exciting.